One of the signs of the love of Allah for you, He ensures that you fulfill your obligations towards Him, enjoying it. What does this mean? Time of Fajr, I set my clock. Say for example, Fajr is at, now it's about 4:30. I don't know this part of the world, right? Say for example, right? Come 4 o'clock, my eye is open, but my clock is set for 4:15. What was that? That was Allah telling you, my worshipper, I want you to come. Don't rely on the clock, rely on me. That doesn't mean don't set the clock, because if you guys try that, you're going to miss the salah, right? Don't come and say, let's try it for today. What I mean is set the clock, but you will notice, wallahi, there will come a time when you do it for the pleasure of Allah, that before that clock, you get up 2 minutes and you can turn the clock off. Wallahi, it's a fact. You can turn the clock off. You didn't disturb anyone. Why? It's a sign, Allah saying, my worshipper, this is the time you get up. Come. Salah. Tahajjud, come forth. And then you get up and you do wudu with the